Hi, my name is Trevor with Ember's Fireplaces and Outdoor Living. Today we're taking a look at Napoleon's HDX35. It's a new fireplace in their lineup. It's a standard 36-inch size fireplace, but there's a couple things that make it unique. One is for a 36-inch fireplace. You know your standard width, you're usually going to get a 16 to 20-inch window. On this guy, you're going to get 26 inches on your window height. So even though it's not extremely wide, you get a nice tall big viewing area, so you get a lot of fireplace viewing area for just a standard size. Now we have it shown with the plain black because what else is really neat about this fireplace is it's really customizable. You start with picking a panel, so we're going to show you the steps of designing your fireplace at home to get you a finished product and what options you have. So the first thing we have to do is pick a decorative panel on the inside. We have a lot of different options. We have a ledger stone, which is what we're putting in, and that's available in different colors. We have a brick kit, which is available in a variety of colors, and then a porcelain kit, which is like a shiny reflective, that's available in different colors as well. So you can go anything from very traditional to very modern, all within the same fireplace box. So you kind of do it a la carte. You start with your fireplace, pick the size, and then from there you add your options. So we're going to go ahead and throw our panels in now. Okay, so now we have our panels in. So again, we have the antique white ledgestone. The ledgestone is available in a couple colors, and again, you don't have to do ledgestone. You can do brick or some sort of porcelain finish. Now it's time for the burner. So now you can see we don't have a burner in it. Again, we can go very traditional or we can go very modern. We can do a log set, we can do a driftwood set, we can do a modern glass burner or river rock. So you start with either two burners, either the glassed curved tray, which we'll show you a photo of, or the log set, and then from there you can mix and match your media. So we're going to go ahead and put our log set in now. So we put in our log set. Now you can see we have the logs with the log burner. Now again, if you didn't like these particular logs, you can also do a driftwood or river rock combo. You'd have to buy the separate glass burner if you wanted the crushed glass. But you can see we're not done yet. See around the edges here, it still looks unfinished. We have to put our front on. So there are a couple different front options. This includes your safety barrier, which is required by law on all gas fireplaces. So we'll put that on and give you a look at the safety barrier. Now we put our front on, you can see we did the decorative front that has the inlays and the arch to it. If you don't like that front, you can get just a clear view front with just the safety barrier and then four-sided black trim all the way around. So you can see now it does look finished. So these standoffs here are where your finishing material goes. So let's say you put tile on it or something, your tile will go right here. So what's kind of nice about that is you can see with your frame on, it's a really sleek design. You don't have a lot of metal showing or a lot of airspace. It's very thin bezel, and then your finishing material can come flush to this frame. So it gives you a really nice look all the way around. It gives you a nice sleek design. Now you are done as far as options. There are no more mandatory options that you have to choose. There is, however, an optional exterior surrounds that if you wanted to go around it, you can get a wrought iron finish in either a square or an arc. So if you're just doing plain drywall or something and you wanted a little more decoration around the fireplace with the surround, you can do that. Or you can just take your stone or tile right to the edge of the fireplace on all three sides and just have a nice clean face design. We have the surround, so we'll go ahead and put that on now just to show you what that looks like. We have this surround on it now. This is the wrought iron surround. This is an arch. It is available in square as well. You can see it is a solid piece of metal, wrought iron. You can see it's got a lot of attention to detail and it's very pretty. And so it again would overlap the wall. So if you had tile or stone or something, it would just overlap a flat piece of tile or stone. Now, one of the nice things about the surround is if you're going for something that's a lot larger than your average fireplace, this takes the width of the fireplace here to 49 inches. So you went from a 36-inch fireplace to now 49 inches wide on the surround. And then on center, you're going to be right at 43 and a half. So now you're at 49 by 43 and a half. So it changes the whole dynamic of the fireplace. So if you have a large great room or something that you want to put this in and really make a statement with a lot of detail, because what's nice about the surround is even when the fireplace is turned off, it can still be a focal point of the room because of how detailed and large this surround is. So this is a nice option if you wanted something like that. Let's fire this bad boy up and see what it's made of. So you can see now we have the fireplace turned on. Your flame height is adjustable, so you can play with your air adjustment at home to kind of get the flame pattern that you desire. Remote control also is a standard feature, so it does have a built-in thermostat. You can adjust the flame height from the remote control, and then it does have a blower option, as well as it does come equipped with a nightlight as well, which has 6 dimmer settings. And so we'll show you the flame pattern. You can see it's got a nice tall flame. The burner's more centralized, so that way you can see more fire instead of it being more spread out and a small flame. You get that nice big dramatic flame. So this fireplace is also available as a Napoleon HDX35. You can check out our videos for that on our website. We have some of those available. Same exact options, just a larger fireplace. So if you're seeking something larger, maybe go with that model. If you have any questions, you can call or text our sales staff at 805-952-5440, or you can check out all of our products on our website at www.blazingembers.com. Thanks for checking out this video.